Class 5 Computer Chapter 3 Advanced Features of Word Processor 1. Topics for today are book exercises C and D. Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to do exercise C of this chapter and D also. So let's quickly read the instruction. The instructions is an application based question. So here Aryan is in a situation where he has to format his document with indentation. So what's the answer to this question? Aryan would do these steps to format his documents. First, he would select the text to be indented. Number 2, click on the increase button in the paragraph group on the home tab. The selected text will be shifted half inch away from the left margin. Then he would click on the decrease indent button to move the text half inch closer to the left margin, whichever is applicable to him, his needs. Now, question number 2, Dia has to do the following steps to complete her task. She would do the following. The header and footer button are found in the header footer group on the insert tab. She would click on the header button, select the edit header option in the drop down menu. An additional tab named design under the header footer tools will appear on the ribbon. Then she will find the header boxes with dotted lines appear at the bottom of each page. Then she would click on the header box and type text that she wants to display there. For example, publishing, KIPS Publishing World on the left side. Press the tab key twice. The pointer will jump to the right side. Click on the date and time button in the insert group on the design tab. The date and time dialog appears. Choose the desired date and time format and then click OK. This is for setting date and time. Then click on the footer button on the insert tab and select the edit footer option. The cursor will appear on the left side of the footer section. Press the tab key. The cursor will jump to the center of the page. Click on the page number button in the header and footer group on the design tab and choose the desired format from the drop down list. If she intends to apply specific page number style, then she would select the format page numbers option from the drop down menu. Then the next step is the page number format dialog box appears. Then she has to define the settings as per her need and click OK. Click on the close header and footer button to close the header footer tools tab. Now let's do exercise D. Multiple choice question. The dash option places the selected text slightly above the baseline. Answer is superscript. The dash option divides a document into 2 or more columns. Columns. Option B. Question number 3. The selected text can be shifted half inch away from the left margin by using the option B, increase indent. Question number 4. The top and bottom margins of a document can be changed by using the option A, vertical ruler. Question number 5. Which among the following shortcut keys is used to increase the indent? Option B, Control M. These are the answers for this exercise. I would want you to complete these two exercises in your copy and revise it well. That's all for today. Take care.